Hey everyone, welcome back to 30 Days Spoken Ma Culture and Language Orientation. Today, we are going to dive into the fascinating origin of the Maasai people. So are you ready? Grab your favorite pencil and notepad, let's get going. The Maasai people residing in Kenya and Tanzania have a rich cultural heritage that dates back centuries. They speak the language Olmaa, which is an Eastern Nilotic language. The Maasai are part of the Eastern Sudan-speaking people, a subfamily of the Nilo-Saharan Nilotes. Recent records suggest that their origins can be traced back to South Sudan and East Uganda. Now, did you know that the Maasai people have about 20 subtribes? These subtribes are further divided into two dominant clan affiliations, namely Odomongi and Orogireng. This division plays a significant role in their society and traditions. One aspect of Maasai culture that has gained international recognition is their rite of passage system. In fact, UNESCO has identified it under 13 as indigenous people's rite of passage in need of protection. This system consists of 4 rite of passage ceremonies that have helped shape the Maasai society from what they have been up to traces of what they are today. But here is the interesting part. Despite living in today's technological world, there are important cultural ways of governance, schooling, and home management within the Maasai community that can still be adapted. These practices have been refined over centuries and can offer valuable lessons for us all, especially you who has some trace of Maasai roots or here or that. Imagine having a governance system that emphasizes community decision-making and inclusivity, or a schooling system that focuses on practical skills and knowledge passed down through generations. And let's not forget about their unique management techniques that promote sustainability and harmony with nature. As you can see, our people, the Maasai people, have a rich history and culture that The Maasai people have a rich history and culture that we can all learn from. Their traditions, language, and way of life is truly captivating. And in 30 days spoken culture language orientation, we shall continue to give you insights into the spoken elements of the language, including understanding and being aware of the main and dominant aspects of our culture. Those are my lambs. Signifying the mothers about to come home and speaking English. When I think about the lambs, I turn again to thinking in myself. Take care of this livestock. Thank you so much for again attending today's lesson. If you're seeing this online, please share it to somebody who might be interested and inquire more about 30 days spoken Ma culture and language orientation. For a significant amount of your investment, you can get to learn about the spoken parts of Maasai language as well as understand the major or important aspects of the culture. See you in the next video.